So this is example 4 and check your progress 4 for 5.3. The directions for these say, show that the graph is not planar, okay? So if it's not planar, we're going to be able to find the utility graph, a complete pentagon, or we're going to be able to contract it into something that has utility graph or a complete pentagon, okay? So I look at example 4 and right away I see my star. So I need to have a pentagon. If I contract, and I'm going to take all of these, and this is not the only way to do this, but if I contract those two, 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 and if I contract those two, what I'm going to be left with is this edge here, this edge will be here, this edge will be here, this edge will be here, and this edge will be here. And there I have my complete pentagon. Which there's an abbreviation you can use if you want to, okay? So it's not planar. All right, so for check your progress 4, right away I see the resemblance of a utility graph. But what we're missing is this has to be one line and this has to be one line. So if I contract those two, and I contract those two, I contract those two, and I contract those two, what I'm going to have to begin with is a graph that would have multiple edges here and multiple edges here. And then I would, so I'm going to show that I contracted those, and I contracted those. And now I'm going to merge these two. And so what I end up with is I end up with the utility graph.